Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this quick, easy, very fast omelette recipe. Has vegetables and ham and it's absolutely delicious. Now let's get started. For this particular recipe, I'll be using 2 eggs. I'm going to add in my seasoning. I'm using thyme, which goes perfectly well with eggs, black pepper, and some salt. Once that is done, go ahead to beat your eggs. Next step is to add the veggies. So I'm using onions, tomatoes, and coriander. You can add any veggies of your choice. You can add grated carrots, green bell peppers, colored bell peppers. If you love your egg spicy, go ahead to add in some chili as well. Now I'm going to use some ham. You can choose whatever you want to. Do not feel limited to using ham. You can use beef brown, pork brown. All taste equally delicious with this recipe. Once that is done, mix everything together. Next, in medium heat, go ahead to add in some oil in your pan. Then add in your eggs. Once the egg is almost done, go ahead to add in some cheese. I'm using Gouda cheese, which I just sliced. I don't have shredded cheese, so you can use just whatever cheese you want, mozzarella, anything of your choice. Then take a spatula together with probably a wooden spoon as well and fold your egg. Remember, as you continue to fold your egg, it will be cooking really well, so your egg will be perfectly okay. And that's how fast you make your cheesy omelette. It's so delicious, so filling, and it's perfect for breakfast. You can also have it as a biting. I really hope you did enjoy this recipe. Please share it with your friends and family. Try it and let me know how yours turned out. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.